Hey researchers, it's time to start your Midwest State Research Project. And you're going to use this packet on Class Kick to help you organize your research. So, earlier this week, you spun the giant wheel and you landed on the state that you are going to learn a little bit more about. If you don't remember that state that you landed on, don't worry. I will let you know during our live lesson. But you are going to use this website right here. Make sure that you are only using this link to complete your research. All the information is right in this website. This is the National Geographic Kids collection of information about all 50 states. But remember, we're only learning about the Midwest right now, and you only need to worry about your one state. So earlier this week, I landed on Missouri. So what I'm going to do is I am going to scroll down until I find Missouri. Where is it? There it is. I see the St. Louis Arch. I'm going to click on this link. And now I'm going to be on this page with all this information about Missouri. I am going to go back and forth between this page and my Class Kick so that I can fill out all the information on page 1 and page 2. Next week, I will add 2 more pages to this same Class Kick so you can complete 2 more pages of research. Today, we're just doing these 2 pages, so make sure that you are looking through this entire page of your state to find that information. Okay, because everything is right on this site. So the first thing I'm going to do is, well, who's the researcher? That's you. Write your name. So I'm going to write my name here. And I am going to welcome you to Missouri. That's the state that I'm researching. And right here it says, color your state in on the map above. Uh-oh, I don't remember which one it is in the Midwest. But if I go to my website, I'm sure they have a map that's going to tell me. And they do. So if you look, it looks like it is 2 states below Minnesota. And I see it right here. So I am going to color it in. I'm going to use my highlighter. I'm going to color it blue. There is Missouri. All right. Next it says state abbreviation. The state abbreviation is the 2 letters, the shortened version of your state's name. So for example, Minnesota is MN. Now, I'm not sure what Missouri is, but let me look through my website, through National Geographic, and see if they tell us. If I look at this fast facts column here, I see it right here. The abbreviation is MO. So I'm going to use my text box so it looks nice and neat, and I'm going to type in MO. The capital city. Capital city, that might be in the fast facts too, and it is. The capital of Missouri is Jefferson City. I'm going to use my text tool, this little text box. I'm going to type Jefferson City. When we're researching, you're just taking information from other sites. You're collecting information so that you can learn more about a certain topic. For these next 3 boxes, the state bird, state flower, and state tree, you can either draw the state bird, state flower, or state tree, or you can just say the name of them. And those are hidden right over here. All right, let's look at page 2. Page 2 is going to have you draw the state flag. Oops. The state flag, that is very detailed. You do not have to be an amazing artist to do this. Just try your best and have fun with it. The statehood is the year that it became a state in the United States of America. And the state rank is the number of, or the number that it, in order that it became a state. So Missouri was the 24th state out of the 50 states to become an official state. Okay. The population, how many people live there? The largest city, it's not always the capital city, but sometimes it's the same. You're going to tell me a little bit about geography and landforms of your state. Does it have a lot of mountains? Are there any big rivers? If we're in the Midwest, are there going to be any oceans? No, there are no oceans bordering the Midwest states. Desert? We learned a little bit about the climate of the Midwest, and we're in Tornado Alley, so not too many deserts either. Forests, islands, no islands in the Midwest. Just tell me a little bit about the geography of your state. You can add in the climate too if you want. And the final question, why does your state have that nickname? Well, if we look here, in the Fast Facts column, it says, Missouri's nickname is the Show Me State. What does that mean? If we go down, there's a whole section here that says, why is it called that? And it shows us why it has that nickname. You are going to explain why right here. Once you have filled out those 2 pages, you are done with your research for today, and you will research a little bit more next week before making a Flipgrid post presenting your research. So make sure that you are filling out all of your research on this packet so you can use it when you present on Flipgrid. Message me on Schoology if you have any questions. You got this. Adding this on to the end because I made a mistake while I was recording. I accidentally put the state abbreviation in the state nickname. Did anybody catch that? All right, so the state nickname was the Show Me State. There we go. All right, now I'm done. Bye, guys.